Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawaattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 3 powerful affirmations that you can use for anything that you're trying to manifest. I don't care what the subject is, all you have to do is fill in the blank. Now, I know I talk about the law of attraction a lot, but what is the law of assumption? The law of assumption is not anything I created. I'm just out here spreading the message. The law of assumption by Neville Goddard. I'm pretty sure by now you have heard of him. I'm just going to read the definition and then pretty much sum it up. This definition is by guidelinelaw.com. The law of assumption is a means of manifesting desires by having a state of mind and the feeling that those desires, wishes, and aspirations have been fulfilled. Neville Goddard explains that achieving a desired goal has everything to do with your state of mind rather than mere action. So to sum that up, to sum up everything, because you could read a whole lot on this subject. Basically, what you assume is already done is going to happen to you. So instead of assuming negativity, something that you want is happening to you right now. Okay, like I said, I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. All of my law of attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box. That includes a how to manifest ebook, 16 different guided scripting packets, raise your vibration audio, a whole lot more. It's going to be linked in my description box. Everything is digital. You can download it at any time, any place. I don't care where you're at. It's going to come to you almost instantly. Now, the first affirmation. These affirmations you can say over and over again until you feel the shift in your energy. You can even add affirmations as you go. With me, in my opinion, affirmations depend on if they resonate with you. Like I joke about it, sometimes saying I am a millionaire, it doesn't feel right with you because you have $12.13 in your bank account. You have to work your way up to those affirmations as your faith and your belief grow. But here are 3 powerful, not 4, 3 powerful affirmations that you could use or at least get started with. I am receiving blank at any moment now. So fill in the blank. This is going to be an example. I am receiving a phone call from Jake any moment now. And what I do with these affirmations, after I'm saying them to myself, I imagine it happening to me. So for example, I am receiving a message from Jake at any moment now. What I would do is I would look at my phone and a picture, a message, Jake's name coming up and saying like, I miss you or blase blase. So take it a step further, affirm and then visualize, affirm, visualize, affirm, visualize. And it is helpful when you are able to detach back into your reality. This is just the little recipe that I've noticed. I affirm, I visualize, and I go back to thinking about something that is exciting or makes me happy. So recap, number 1, I am receiving blank at any moment now. Number two, I am so excited to have blank. I am so excited to have a raise. I am so excited to get a hug from Penelope later. Or I am so excited to be in a position where I can buy my new car. I am so excited that I have tripled my income. I am so excited. You get what I'm saying? And my last one, putting a little emotion with it. It feels amazing to have blank. It feels amazing to go on this vacation. It feels amazing to have $1 million in my bank account. It feels amazing to finally get the love I deserve. Fill in the blanks and remix them to the point where it feels good for you. And when you say them, you think them, it's raising your vibrations at the same time. Like I said, add in the visuals. It feels amazing to get to go on this 5-day all-inclusive vacation to the Maldives. Visualize yourself being there. The law of assumption, you have to assume that it's already done. So make sure you visualize it as you're saying these affirmations. So I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I upload. Because the tip that I may have for you, you don't want to miss it because you don't have the notification bell on. But I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.